How to make TRAPETON beat in Linux multimedia. First the tempo, like this, no, like this. Next the drums, here use the tracks on kit, here are in description. There are in description link, you can buy these many sounds or you can download the free version of these tracks. So link on description in my page in this video. So first select the kick of trap, select the snare. Now make the reggaeton flow is like this, the kick and the snare 4 3 4 3. Okay, copy and paste. Okay, delete this. And like that. So right click, clone steps, clone. Alright, 2 5. Now the melodies. For the melodies, go to these sounds, native sounds of the Linux multimedia, and find a sound. Here I wanna use the chair and voice. For example, open piano roll. Here select the minor scale, and select some note. I wanna use, for example, this. Right click, mark current scale, and you use the Y notes, okay, because they are into the scale. 1 2 3 1 2 3 4. That is the first accord. So the second accord maybe this. Nice. Okay, I like that. So this is very important, the frequency filter down a little bit down, show Y, and insert the reverb of part 1. Select the reverb. You have many effects, but I use reverb in this case. Just move this knob and this knob, okay. Without reverb, with reverb. Yeah, it's very emotional. So now add a melody. If you wanna a melody, for example, paste. So okay, nice. Control A up. Okay, so that is the final result. I think that is nice, but obviously you can make more melodies, more effects, So the final result, wait, here, nice. So thank you so much for watching. Listen the final result. Obviously we need the mix, the mastering, but this is the first part, okay, the beat. And I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to use my drum kits. Thank you so much, and I'll see you on the next video.